Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Python on Visual Studio Code. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to set up Python on Visual Studio Code. First, you have to open the Chrome and then search python.org after that. You have to download the Python latest version first and the open and set up it. Like I'm doing after that, your Python will automatically set up if this doesn't work. So you can try this. First open your Visual Studio Code and then click on Run option and then find the Install Additional Debuggered option and then find Python here. And the click on Install and the Python will successfully add to your Visual Studio Code. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to set up Python on Visual Studio Code. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe drop. A comment, it motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.